Have you ever dreamed of being on the radio? Well, duh, obviously you're here. But the thought of starting your own station just feels mind-numbingly overwhelming. What if you could just skip all the tech nonsense and still get that electric feeling of being on the air? I mean, for real, heard by actual listeners without needing all the fancy gear or sacks of cash to pay off those music licensing goons. Well, this could be the moment that your radio dream becomes radio reality. I have got an incredible opportunity for you. Really, the exact one that I wish that I had when I was starting out.
We are on the air.
Hey there, I'm Jeff, the radio DJ dude, and I know you're teetering on the edge of your futon. Just can't wait for the juicy details. So at my all 80s internet powerhouse, Triple X 80s, I am given 3 to 5 passionate people the chance to actually rock the mic with their very own 2-hour show. Now, if you've never been on the air but are dying to try it, or if maybe you're an old radio pro who hasn't cracked a mic in a while but would love to get another blast of that radio energy, well, this could be for you. I'll tell you more in a second. But first, why am I sinking a bunch of time into this? And this does take a lot of time to spin up. Well, when I was starting out, and maybe I've bored you with this story before, when I was 15, opportunities were scarce. But I did get my big mouth in the door at a rinky-dink community station. And I'm serious, by rinky-dink, no exaggeration. It was a large storage closet off a highway that this stoner converted into a radio studio. But for a know-nothing newbie, it was heaven. It was a hot mic and a creative playground to develop my own voice.
Believe me, this could be the night that my show goes down the drain. That is Loverboy there on the countdown this week at what number? You were all in suspense. Drop 3, number 13 spot. Last week, obviously, they're at the number 10. This could be the night. I'm Jeff Scott. This is the Friday Top 20 show. It's 6:43. And you know what's coming up at 7 o'clock? More music. But you know what we have to do right now? We have to just stand here for a second and meditate. Okay, I finished. How about you? I just did that because I didn't know what to say.
Sure. Horrible in the beginning, but come on, that's all of us when we start. Progress isn't possible without practice. And here's a picture of what that place actually looks like today. That literal hole in the wall was my training studio. And I tell you, I am forever grateful. And just to make sure the irony doesn't get buried, Andy Gump makes portable toilets. So it's safe to say my career began in the toilet and it came full circle. As for today, well, forget it. Opportunities to practice your craft live on air are almost impossible to come by. And I really feel for young jocks who have that passion, but just lack the opportunity to crack a mic anywhere to start off their radio journey. And that magic feeling of potting up the mic and connecting with people, I mean, it's just becoming way too rare. I mean, if it exists at all anymore, the true live radio experience. And if it's not 235% clear by this nutty channel that you've been watching, radio has changed my life in so many positive ways. And I just really want to give you that chance to feel that spark. A spark which for me ignited countless opportunities, both in radio and TV and so many other, rich directions. And they all continue to pay dividends. All the friendships, relationships, and experiences that have been created in my life that all began in that little rinky-dink hole in the wall and progressed over the decades. I mean, even if this is just for 2 hours, this little show I'm talking about, I promise it's a rush that you're never to forget. You can tell your friends and family to tune in, and who knows, maybe there's a chance to even do more. But first of all, let's get down to the nitty and the gritty. You need to complete my very free Radio DJ 101 mini course or have some legit past radio experience. Then you submit a quick online application. Here it is. Tell me about your DJ special sauce. And if you have been on the air before, well, come on, brag a little, because this is all about you. Now, if you're actually selected, you're going to be creating fun and energetic voice tracks, stuff like 80s trivia, TV and movie references, anything that you could bring to this decade just to add some pop and some fun to my station, XXX80s. But no talking about specific songs because your tracks need to work within a rotation. But don't worry about that. I will personally coach you through the process if you need or want it, giving you feedback and tips. As for gear, well, come on, less is perfect here. Just a decent USB mic and some free editing software like Audacity is really all you need for this. So, if you have been sitting on the sidelines waiting for the perfect chance to get your voice on the air somewhere, well, guess what? I mean, come on, this is it. If this sounds mildly interesting, well, come on, throw your headphones in the ring, apply today, and come rock the airwaves with me on XXX80s.com and get a taste of the awesomeness that only radio can offer. And as for the offer, it's not forever. It may even be too late by the time that you put your peepers on this. So check out the description for the details and the status of this offer. There'll be a link right there for you. Also, for all my radio peeps with stations of their own, well, please hit up that same form if you'd be so gracious to considering accepting guest DJs. Now, I'm more than happy to help you with streamlining a workflow that would ease the lift. And just think of the thrill that you'd be providing for jocks who really have that same passion that you did at the beginning of your career, but just don't have any outlet for it.
Another crazy thought. Why not replace some of those less than human sounding AI voices with real ones? Wow, what a concept. Humans on the radio. Guest DJs can provide a needed infusion of life into our already robotic radio stations.
And who knows, if this nuttiness actually catches on, we could have a whole network of internet radio stations offering that first chance for radio DJ dreamers that otherwise just wouldn't exist. And come on, this small, generous act is not going to cost us more than a little setup time. But the dividends it could pay to someone who truly doesn't have any other outlet or option to get a taste of this wild thing called radio would be life-changing. So, not only can you continue to sling the best yacht rock, but now you have the opportunity to pay radio's unique gift forward. So, on behalf of all the young and not so young DJ dreamers, thank you for considering this. Now, make sure to actually take the next step while you're feeling good about it and check out that link in the description. Okay, that's it. I will keep you posted when this experiment is about to hit the airwaves. And if you dug the spirit of this little ditty, well, please drop a like and subscribe. I really do appreciate all the time that you spend with me. I am Jeff, the Radio DJ Dude, and until our next little radio rendezvous, you keep rocking those mics all over the world.